Hi guys, this is Ashruta in Er4u fastest retail billing software, and today we are going to see an important feature under sales, that is sales in credit or credit sales. So some business performs sales in credit, especially if you're a wholesaler, and as we know that Er4u is specialized both for B2B and B2C business. So today we will see how we can perform credit sales in Er4u. So when it's related with sales, we'll again click on sale feature, sales panel. So this is our sales panel. Here you can see two options are given: credit sale, cash sales and credit sales particularly, and various other features, that is sale type, billing date, bill type, tax type. And again from here, if it's a B2B sales or a B2C sales, so if you're a wholesaler dealing with a retailer, you can simply select a B2B over here. So now here you'll see company and customer name has come, so with which business you're dealing, doing the credit sales, you can select that from here. For credit sales, simply you will have to select on credit sales. This would be the first step in it. Just select on the credit sales and whatever the features or particular update that you want from here, and simply scan the items from here. So let's just say the item is AA07. I have scanned a barcode, and this is the item, a formal trousers, Park Avenue. Let's just scan another barcode as well. AA06 is another barcode. So this is the second item, that is biscuits. So these two items are to be dealt on credit sales. So now simply on the tender section, you'll see net sale price. Net sale has been updated over here as 1,555, and in the tender you'll find cash is written. So here you have an option to ask your customer that will he be taking the credit for all the whole amount, that is 1555, or will he be paying some amount. Let's just say 500 rupees he's paying now, and whatever the remaining amount is, he will want a credit for it. So you'll see automatically the credit amount has updated as 1055 over here. So this is all you have to do, and as I click on save and print invoice, you'll see an error will come as please select customer's name, because you would want to know with which customer by their name or company number or phone number you have provided a credit to. Because what happens, a ledger account gets created in that customer's name. So let's just say this is FNJ Private Limited, it's the company, and the customer from there is Mr. Ram. So this is the company and this is the customer from there. This is the particular person from this company. So here now we can just simply click on save and print invoice, and an invoice will be generated with all the details of the items and the customer's information as well. So here invoice number is given and the customer's name. Now how to find this particular information in our software? So for that, first in the store reports, in the sales section under store reports, we will see here in the sales report payment mode filter is given. So here we can judge if there is a credit sales. So at the end of the month we want to see how much credit sales we have done, and now we want to make a call to those customers and request for remaining payment. So simply we can derive a report of all the customers, those who have taken credit from our business. So this is the list of it. Here Mr. Ram is there with this particular invoice, and if we click on view, so here we'll have all the items as detailed entry of this particular credit transactions, right? And similarly from here we have the customer's name or mobile number or any other information that you have taken from him. We can simply go to the ledger feature over here. This is the last second option. In ledger we can click. Here you'll see customer ledger and supplier ledger is given, so you can maintain both your customers and supplier over here. As Mr. Ram was our customer, so simply we'll search him by his name. As I type Ram, so here all the people, those who have RA in it, have come in this list. Now here we can judge that Mr. Ram from FNJ Private Limited was our customer. So here we can find the particular transactions. As you can see, on 6th May, this particular time, transaction of 1555 rupees was made and 500 rupees was credited by this customer, and due amount is this. Similarly, below you can see a closing balance is given. Now if Mr. Ram is coming back in a business, in a store, and making the remaining payment, so simply we can check this transaction. You'll see on the above, make payment has updated, the amount has updated over here, the balance amount. We can select a payment mode, that is it cash, check, or put a remark that remaining payment received and just simply click on credit. That's it. This is how we handle a ledger when we are making any credit transactions in a business, and simply a receipt has been available of the customer's due payment or the bill payment, the payment bill, paid bill, the customer that has paid to us, the due amount. So here again Mr. Ram is given over here and the payment mode and what amount he has paid. So again, if there is any due amount remaining, still further remaining, it is showing here as 0, and if there is a remark that we had put earlier on it. So this is how we maintain, we provide credit facilities to our customers and maintain their particular ledger account in software, and particularly at the time of reporting at the end of the month or whatever the interval it is, we can judge what credit amount is left of a business and simply make all the decisions and all the credit transactions, remaining payments, requests of remaining payments through these features. If you have any questions regarding the credit sales, please mention them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Ashruta Moiti signing off.